Alright, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Big Dreams TikTok dance. It's an awesome dance, and actually the K-pop star Jungkook from BTS actually just did it a few days ago. The dance is short and simple, but as always, I'm gonna break it down step by step for you guys so even beginners can follow along. Alright, preview of the first mini session, just so you can see what you're about to learn. Alright, it goes like this. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, let me explain. So, what you wanna do is take your right arm, and what you wanna do is go yo, yo, all right? Pretty simple, right? So, 1, 2. Now, the first one, you don't do anything, but on the second one, you wanna slightly lift up your left leg, all right? So when I go 1, 2, all right? Notice how I'm just slightly leaning to my left side here, all right? Just to give it a bit more swag. So, boom, boom, okay? Now, once you've done that a few times, what you want to do from here is go place your left leg slightly behind and then the right leg slightly to your left. Okay, let me just repeat that. I just did this yo-yo here. Left goes down behind, right goes to the left. All right, just tiny steps. All right, don't need to exaggerate yet. Okay, so from the center top, let me just repeat. I go woom, 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 woom. All right. Again, I'm just going to show you 1, 2, left, down, right, boom. Okay? Now on the last step here, you want to say clap, right? Actually, I think I prepare it. Let me just see. Woom, woom, and woom. All right? So notice how I'm prepping this as soon as I'm taking my left arm here. I want to prep the clap here before I say clap. Okay? So let me just show you again from the tip to top, just to recap here. It goes 1, 2, step, clap. Let me explain the timing as well. So the counts that we're dancing to, it's and 1 and 2. All right, so I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. All right, let's try and practice. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. Let's try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. All right, let's try one more last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. All right, feel free to practice on your own, at your own pace. All right, moving on to mini section 2, let me just show you what you're about to learn. All right, this was end of mini section 1. 2 goes woom, woom, woom. All right, let me break it down for you. So mini section 2, this was end of mini section 1. The right is in front, the right leg is in front of your left leg. Now in mini section 2, your left leg wants to say step out. Here we get to the left, and then you want to lift your right slightly, woom, and then your left, boom. All right, just try that a few times. Place your right in front of your left, and then your left wants to say step out here, boom, lift right, and then left. All right, try that a few times. I'm just gonna do one last time here. Left down, lift right, lift left. Now from here, what you want to do is place the left down just slightly behind your right, because you want to say step your right over here. Okay, you want to make room for your right to move across here. Let me just show you again. This was end of mini section 1. 2 goes left out, left right, left, down with the left, so the right can say crossover. Okay, try that with me. Right is in front of your left here. You want to say left out, left right, left left, left slightly back, and then right to your left. Okay? Try that again. Right is in front. You want to say up with the left, left right, left left, slightly back, cross over. Alright, we're gonna build on top with the arms, but if you're not comfortable yet, just practice the leg work 1,000 times before we move on adding the arms. Alright? We're gonna do the arms now. So, this was in mini section 1. The arm goes, you step out here, you say prep before you say flick with your right arm here. I don't know what this is, but flick, flick. That's what we're doing. So we flick whenever we lift our leg. Whoom. And the other side. Whoom. Still flicking with the same arm. Alright? We'll try that again so you can see. This was end of mini session 1. 2 goes prep, flick, and flick. Okay? I'll just show you that again. Prep, flick, and flick. Now from here, when you step, you want to say out with your arm like that. Okay, so when I do it a bit faster, just look. It's gonna be like this. And flick, flick, and boom. Alright, so sort of let my arm go in a circle from here out here. Okay, so just a flick, flick, wham. Okay, just watch one last time here. I'm doing and flick, flick, and boom. Alright, and you can look at it if you want to. Okay, so let's just do a quick recap here. This is end of position 1, 2 go step out with the left, prep, and go flick, and flick, step, point. Alright, now let me explain the timing as well. So, mini section 1 was and 1 and 2. Mini section 2 goes and 3 and 4 and 5. Alright, time to practice. Let me just go 1, 2, and then we're gonna go, actually we're gonna start from here, right? So I'm gonna count 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Let's try that, alright? So from here, we're gonna count 1, 2, and then we're gonna start at and 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Let's try that again, same tempo, from here, right in front. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. One last time. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Alright, let's try and do mini session 1 and mini session 2, alright? So I'm going to do a quick recap and then we're going to practice. But if you already feel comfortable and you just want to move straight ahead to mini session 3, I'll leave the timestamps down below. Alright, mini session 1 and 2, let me just do a quick recap here. It's here, we go 1, 2 of those, and then step, clap, and then we're gonna say step out. We go flick, and point. Alright, now timing wise, we go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Alright, let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we start on and, alright? And it's right after 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.